So I struggled in my shop to get dust fittings that fit all my machines, and it's frustrating. So this little rockler kit has been a lifesaver. I'm a little hard one-handed here, but here's basically how this works. So you buy these little adapters and they go on the tool themselves. So this is my Makita track saw, and I adapted the dust port here to fit this. So your kit comes with a couple different sizes of those, and so you leave that on the machine. I always leave that on the machine, and then what you do is you take the hose that comes with it, and this clicks right into that and holds it in place. You can kind of hear it here. Let's see. Maybe you've heard that or not, but that clicks. Now that will stay there, and then if I want to go to a different machine, like I have a sander that I'll hook this up to, I just unclick this, take it off. A little hard one-handed. Let's see, take that off, and then I will take this over to the sander, connect it to the sander, and then I'm good to go. The version of this that does have a little clamp here, so once you get it on, you can kind of tighten that down so it stays snug on the machine. But all in all, this hose and rockler dust fittings have really solved the problem for me in my shop.